trashes. This aims to segregate biodegradable and non-biodegradable trashes. If trashes are unsegregated, trashes will be mixed up and our planet will be slowly affected.
Our world gets worse as people are being selfish. The Ateneo de Davao University is starting the project of Ecotaneo to help reduce the worsening of our environment. Join Ecotaneo now.